Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we got this guy back. This guy. Fidget spinner. It's at Showcase if you want to buy it. So yeah, we're gonna do fidget spinner versus neck. It's turning around. Okay, so let's go. Ha 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 ha. Oh, it wasn't spinning that fast. Let's try it again. Ow. Like, doesn't it hurts a little bit, but it makes a weird thing in your neck. No, I'm not. I'll show you these bad boys again. The thumbs. I don't think thumb chucks. You can buy them at Mastermind. I don't know how much they cost. None. I think about like 9. Finger. Ow. Did you see that? Wait. Just watch. It spins the other way. See you in the next video. Bye.